to learn. Learning for the future century.
Hello, I'm Annie, and this is my farm. My farm is full of funny animals. Tap on the animals to see what they do, or tap on any of the colorful buttons to help me on my farm. For your help, I'll give you stickers so that you can build your own farm. Pig. This is my pig. What does a pig say? My pig says, oink, oink, all day long. My pig loves to wallow in mud. See? Ooh, my pig got so dirty. Can you help me wash it? Grab the sponge and wash my pig. Perfect! My pig is clean again. Yay, you got a new sticker. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. Tap on any of the colorful buttons to find me. There are so many animals on my farm. I need your help. Can you help me find the animals I'm looking for? I'll give you a sticker for your help. Which of these animals make the sound ma? Ma. Perfect. Goat. Can you tap the animal that makes the sound hee-haw, hee-haw? That's it. Donkey. Where's the animal that makes the sound quack, 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 quack? Cool. Duck. Can you find my sheep? That's it. Sheep. Touch the animal that makes the sound woo, woo. Perfect. Dog. Thanks for all your hard work. I've got a sticker for you. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. Pick the game you want to play. Cow. This is my cow. Do you know what a cow says? A cow says moo, moo. The cow got very hungry. Can you feed it? Well done! The cow's not hungry anymore. I can milk the cow now. Let's make a milkshake. My grandma came up with a special recipe for the milkshake. Drag the ingredients to the right side to prepare ingredients. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples, 1 banana, 2 bananas, 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates, 3 chocolates, 1 pear, 2 pears, 3 pears, 4 pears, 1 plum. Great work. I can put all the ingredients to my blender now. Tap on the button to start the blender. Yay! We have a shake now. I can pour you a glass. Drink the shake by tapping on the glass. That was yummy, Yay, you got a new sticker. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm.